Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to set up FundedNext two-step authentication. So let's first start with the step number 1, which is to log into your FundedNext trading dashboard. So you just have to navigate your account settings or security sections where you will find the two-factor authentication options. So from there, you just have to find the security or two-factor authentication section and click on the toggle or the button to enable 2FA. So you will be prompted to choose your authentication method, and then you just have to download Google Authenticator or Authy on your phone if you haven't already. So you just have to scan the QR code displayed on the FundedNext with your Authenticator app to link your account. Next step is to enter the verification code. So your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. So you just have to enter this code in the FundedNext to verify the setup is working correctly. So the code changes every 30 seconds. So you just have to enter the code quickly before it expires and refreshes. Lastly is 2FA setup complete. So congratulations, your FundedNext account is now protected with two-factor authentication or 2FA. So every login will now require both passwords and a code from your Authenticator app. So you just have to keep your Authenticator app backed up to avoid getting locked out of your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!